let's actually make this cocktail.
Yeah, a strawberry daiquiri.
We are thirsty.
Frozen straw dac, if you will. Where to
Keen
start?
for some brain freeze.
This one, okay, so first off, let's start with the cutlery that you'll need. So obviously you need your glasses, martini glasses. You'll need some measurements, so 1/4 of a cup, a 1/2 a cup, and 1 cup. You'll need, you know, a knife to cut your strawberries for your garnish. And you'll also need a mixer. So I have my handy thermo mix present. It's on the floor. So it's not in the frame, but it's there, and that's what we'll be using. I mean, we might put it on the table, but it's probably gonna like jiggle a little.
It'd be funny if we just like crouched on the ground with it.
Yeah.
So we'll be making this cocktail on the floor.
Budget style, as we do. It's the best way to go. Let's get started. The ingredients that you will need are some frozen strawberries.
Yes.
They don't need to be frozen.
You don't actually. I don't really know. I think for like frozen cocktail, they should be frozen, but it like with the ice, it doesn't.
It
really
doesn't matter. But it's just easier if you get some frozen strawberries.
Yeah. Adds a little bit of something.
Yeah.
If you know what I mean.
So some frozen straws. You'll need some white or light rum.
Yeah. Same thing.
We've got Bacardi again.
Bacardi.
And some sugar syrup that we bought
simple
from
syrup.
Yeah.
The same thing again.
That we bought from Dan Murphy's. You can make it yourself if you want to, but we didn't. So
fuck that.
Ooh, tired. You also need lime juice, and you do need some fresh strawberries for the garnish.
This one isn't expired. This one's a fresh one that I bought the other day.
Woo! How exciting.
It does say to use fresh lime juice, but
again, we're using frozen strawberries.
It's all the same.
This is what you need when you like just don't have time to be really fancy.
Which is fine.
And then we've got ice as well. So that's everything that you need.
Well, we've got water.
We've been sitting out here for a while. But that's okay.
Yeah. It's all the same. Not really.
It'll just water down our, you know, cocktails so we're not like as drunk. Just kidding. We're just going to take it out. Anyway, what's our method? Where do we start?
Oh, fuck. So, basically... Oh, I'm like, why is it there? Alright, in a blender, we're gonna have to go straight to the third.
We just add everything in the blender.
So you're gonna add the rum, lime juice, syrup, ice, and strawberries into the blender, which is all of the fucking ingredients.
Let's do it.
Mentioned.
Can you film me adding the ingredients into the Thermomix?
Wait. So I just record it?
Yeah, just record like all of it and then we can cut it later.
Oh, real strawberries. Am I just like zooming in and like
I mean, you can if you want. I mean, zoom in on the double chin for sure. So they're meant to be whole strawberries, aren't they?
Yeah.
So if they're halves, like I just like. Should I just put it all?
Yeah. For sure.
Like it's not bad if it. Does that look like?
Oh, that's good amount there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's meant to be 12 strawberries.
Oh, they look so good. Should I have one?
Yeah, I have one out of here.
Okay.
Should have brought a teaspoon. I'm just gonna use the blanket. Because we can put some of the frozen ones in there too.
It smells so good. I don't want to get my fingers in there.
Yeah, it's fucking sticky. Straps. And then some ice.
So much flavor.
Get that ice
Break
out.
the seal.
Let me put that down. I'll get the ice.
We're back!
Next, some eyes. So I'm just gonna
Eyes.
Should I just put the whole big chunk in?
Yes. Phenomenal. Drip.
Titanic.
This is what they was good.
Oh, let's keep these couple cute. No, we don't need it for the bottom.
No, we don't. Please do not do that.
Oh, it's the icy wifey. Taylor's gonna fucking fight me. Sorry. Okay, then.
Good. Ice and straw.
A cup of white rum. Let's send it.
Cup of white rum. Cup of white rum.
Cup. This is gonna
MTV
make a
Cribs.
cute TikTok.
Ooh. ASMR. And then now we go in with it smells very strong.
A quarter of a cup. No, half a cup of simple syrup or sugar syrup. Why are my ugly hands in this?
I don't know.
She's big. What is that? The particle?
Ew, wait, how do I do that? Where's the
Use your
knife?
fingers.
Alright, try to try this at home. What is that?
Why is nothing ever normal on this show? Imagine if we got like an MTV show or like a fucking late night show. Like, that would be so embarrassing. We're so not put
The
together.
amount of shit that we like, just shit up. Everything.
Should I squirt this or pour it? I might pour it, sorry.
Yeah.
Quarter of a cup of lime juice.
Lime juice. Lime juice.
Lime. Okay, the lime juice.
Lime juice.
That's kind of a lot. I didn't expect that in a strawberry daiquiri.
It's just gonna taste like shit. Yes.
That's it.
That's it. That's the tweet.
I'm gonna put this away. That's a cute picture. Can we take some pics of it? I got distracted by beauty.
Stop it. Elevator down.
Because we do shit on the fucking floor. Blend well at high speed. I would blend for speed 9 or 10 for a minute. So it's going to be loud for a second.
Not sponsored by Thermomix.
It's going to be loud.
Wow! 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 Wow!
Okay, I will hold this.
Reveal.
If I'm thinking be able to do this one.
It's kind of like not very slushy, but kind of digging it.
I have a knife if we need to like
Alright.
squelch it in. You kidding me?
Queens.
The consistency of
It's
this
actually
is
perfect.
perfection. Like, I cannot make this up. Oh yeah, that's cute. First taste test, guys. I'm so excited to try this. It has a really amazing consistency. It's nice and cold. We have a cute little garnish.
It's so
Wait,
cute.
you have to
Okay,
cheers.
cheers.
Yum.
Oh my god. It actually tastes that fucking good.
This is such a contrast to last episode.
Oh. Such a sweet treat. Holy shit.
Such
Oh my
a
God, it's
dessert
so good.
cocktail. When I tell you it tastes like a smoothie.
Literally. I would just like guzzle this before. we
Yeah,
start
I have a
talking.
feeling I'm gonna destroy this cocktail.
Like, I actually love it a lot.
Like, how do we do that?
Like, I want to make
You know
this,
what?
like,
We're
over
never
and
gonna
over
be able to
again.
drink $5 rosé again.
Yeah,
We've been absolutely treated.
literally. We don't drink that fucking shit anymore. Well,
Depends.
depends on how trashy we're feeling, you know what I mean? Anyway.